Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 3E Revenue. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, and other courses. So, we instruction file is Excel 3E Revenue, and we can move to the step number one. So step number one is open the Excel workbook student Excel 3F revenue XLS downloaded with this project. Go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel worksheet, and we can move to the step number 2. So step number 2 is in a cell D5, construct a formula, calculate the percentage of total projected revenue from the taxes by dividing the projected revenue for the next fiscal year of the losses by the total project revenue the next fiscal. Go to the D5 cell D5 and formula calculated percentage of total project from the taxes by dividing project revenue next fiscal year. Type is equal to losses divided by total. Press F4 absolute cell reference and press the enter the button. Format use the absolute cell reference is necessary. Format the range result percent style and center the percentage. Fill the formula down through the D9. Format result percent style. Go to the home tab, number group, select the percent style and center. Go to the alignment tab, alignment group and select the center. Fill the formula down through D9. Copy the formula D9. So step number 2 is complete. We can move to the step number 3. So step number 3 is select the non-adjacent range A5 to A9 and C5 to C9 as the data for a pie chart and then insert a 3D pie chart. Select the range A5 to A9, copy the range and select the range A5 to A9 and C5 to C9. Select the range C5 to C9. 5 to C9 as the data for a pie chart and then insert a 3D pie chart. Go to the insert tab and go to the chart group and select the recommended chart. Select the all chart and go to and select the 3D pie chart. Select the pie chart and 3D pie chart. Click OK. Move the chart. New sheet name is project revenue chart. Project revenue chart. Copy the new sheet name. Right click and move the chart. New sheet name is project revenue chart. Click OK. So step number 3 is complete. So the next question is question number 4. Question number 4 is As the text of the chart title element, type the projected revenue from the chart title with the word art style. As the text of the chart title element, type the project revenue. Copy the chart title and select the chart title project revenue. Title with the word art style. First row, click the second style, change the font size 32. With the word art style, first row, click the second style. Select the chart title. First row, click the second style. Go to a format tab. Go to the format tab and word art style. Sorry. First row, click the second style. Word art style. Word art style. First, click the first row, second style. Second style and change the font size is 32. Font size is 2. So step number 4 is complete and we can move to the step number 5. So the step number 5 is remove the legend chart element and then add a data label chart element formatted so that only category name and percentage display the position need to the center. Move the legend from the chart element. Move the legend from the chart element. Add a data label. More option. Data label element so that only category name and percentage. So the category name and percentage display the position in the center. Position in the center. Format a data label with the font style bold and font size 14. Format the data label. Font style bold. Bold. Percentage. Font size is 14. To format the data label, we show or the selected. So the question number 5 is complete. We can move the step number 6. So step number 6 is format a data series using the 3D format effect. Go to the worksheet and select the 3D format. Top bevel is first bevel. Change the top bevel and bottom bevel is the first bevel, first row. Bottom bevel is the first bevel, first row, first bevel in the first row. Set the top bevel width and height is 350 pt. Set the top bevel width and height 350. Type the width 350 and height is 350. So the next step is 350. Set the bottom bevel width and height is 0 pt. Change the material. Under standard, click the last material is metal. Width and height is sorry 0. Height is 0. Press enter. And material under standard, click the last material metal. Material is select the metal. So step number 6 is complete. We can move to the step number 7. So step number 7 is display the series option and then set the angle of the first slice 100 150 so that the Texas slice is at the top of the pie. Display the series option and the first slice 150. Press enter. So the Texas slice is the top of pie. Texas slice is the top of the slice. Step number 7 is complete. So the next step is step number 8. Select the Texas slice and then explore the slice 10%. Change the fill color of the text slices gradient fill. In the fourth column, click the fourth gradient. Select the Texas slice. Go to the select the Texas slices and then explore the slice 10%. 10%. And change the fill color of the text axis gradient fill. Fourth column, click a fourth gradient. Change the fill color solid line gradient fill in the fourth column, click a fourth gradient. Fourth column, fourth gradient. So the step number 8 is complete. We can move to the step number 9. So the step number 9 is Format the chart area by applying the gradient field using the present gradient. In the fifth column, click the first gradient style. Format the border of the chart area by applying the solid line border. In the second to last column, click the first color, change the width 3 pt. Format the chart area. Format a chart area and applying the gradient fill. Gradient fill. The gradient fill using the gradient. Fifth column, click the first gradient. First gradient. First gradient. Format a border chart area. Collapse the fill button and click the border button. Click a solid line. Border of the chart area by applying the solid line border and the second to last column. Second to last column. First color and change the width of 3 pt. Close any pane that are open on the right. So step number 9 is complete. We can move to the step number 10. So the step number 10 is display the page setup dialog box, and then for this chart sheet insert a custom footer left section in the file name. Select the Go to the Excel worksheet and page layout tab, go to the page setup, insert a custom footer left section file. Go to the header and footer, click the custom footer and the left section in the file name, click OK and again OK. We can move to the step number 11.